When you're in survival mode, all you want to do is get through the day. There is no long-term or medium-term plan in survival mode. It is all about surviving the next 24 hours. The end of the week seems a long way away. When someone is in survival mode, their brain functions as if they are constantly under attack, making it difficult to manage their emotional responses. They may become easily agitated or irritable, or they may struggle to control their emotions in response to things that would not have bothered them previously. Additionally, higher levels of anxiety and depression are not unusual for those who are in constant survival mode. When you're in survival mode, it seems as though there's no way out. Survival mode is simply trying to get through each day by putting one foot in front of the other. You neglect portion of your daily routine. You just go with the flow. When you experience too many similar types of events, you become anxious. You are ignoring your most basic needs. You're exhausted but don't know why. There is no living to the fullest. There is only existing. When you're in survival mode, there is no time or energy to make those connections. People are entering survival mode due to feelings of burnout, stress, and loneliness at an all-time high. It can be difficult to shake the feelings that you're on autopilot and just trying to get through each day. It may be also difficult to recognize when your stresses are no longer normal, but rather preventing your ability to live a healthy, fulfilling life. When you're in survival mode, you're in a state of fight, flight, or freeze. You may momentarily lose the capacity to think clearly, solve problems, manage time, stay on task, and readily access your memory due to the brain fog and memory difficulties that many people who experience survival mode encounter. So to speak, being more prone to neglecting some of your most basic needs is a major symptom of survival mode. This can lead to poor hygiene, insufficient sleep, missed meals, or difficulty performing basic housekeeping tasks such as dishwashing or cleaning. It is not laziness. It could be a sign that you are in survival mode or depressed, or a combination of both. One question you may ask: why are so many people dealing with this issue, and why is it getting worse? When you're in survival mode, you can't do the things you want to do in life, and you go with the flow in a negative way. You just try to get through the day without thinking about the future because it stresses you out and makes you anxious. In most areas of your life, you cannot see any further and desired improvement. For example, achieving your goals and dreams, your finances and job, and your relationship and social standing, your physical and mental well-being. As I previously stated, it is extremely frustrating and difficult to move forward in life as a result of poor decision and unfortunate circumstances. If you don't pay attention and take action, you'll find yourself stuck in survival mode for a lot longer than you anticipated. This may happen because of poor planning, insufficient research, and low vitality. People who have low vitality and energy as a result of their lifestyle, indigestion, stress, or depression are more vulnerable to survival mode, and things become more difficult. Perhaps you did the wrong things in life, causing you to be in a situation you don't want to be in. Now it is up to you to get out of this state and improve your life. A thriving life and joyful life await you if you force yourself by doing the right things that will take you from the depths of despair to the upper levels of joy, happiness, success, and dreams you deserve. I know how you feel, and I know how bad it is, but you are not dead. You are still alive, and the light at the end of the tunnel is not far away. Small decisions and doing the right things, I repeat, will dramatically change your life. Yes, I understand that repeating the same mistakes is frustrating, but most of us do it. It is in our nature. I understand that. A lack of opportunity makes things and decisions difficult. But you can overcome this with knowledge and faith. There are people who have succeeded, and you can too. And now let's talk about how to get out of survival mode and feel your best again. To get out of survival mode, you must first sit down and take some time to reflect on what is going on in your life and why is it going on. There is a reason for everything and solution for everything. Follow this advice by understanding why you are in this bad situation and how to overcome it by implementing some tasks that require valuable details, knowledge, and effort. Before you can take concrete steps to create change, you must first understand what happened in your life to bring you to this point. Be gentle and kind to yourself, just as you would to anyone who is struggling due to their circumstances and is in survival mode. Survival mode disrupts your body's natural balance, keeping you anxious and fearful. Exercise can be a beneficial way to expand this energy. Moving your body also releases feel-good endorphins, which can improve your mood. Sleep early, eat nutritious foods, and watch and listen to motivational videos. Practice yoga and meditation, change location, and take a long break. Additionally, deep breathing can help stimulate and relax your vagus nerve, allowing your nervous system to regulate. Deep breathing will also lower your cortisol and adrenaline levels, allowing your body to recognize that it is no longer in danger. Get out of survival mode and improve the quality of your life by implementing and taking the necessary actions. In addition, be patient, believe in yourself, and have faith. Let me know in the comments below if you're experiencing survival mode. Please like and share this video if it helped you and you think it could help someone else too. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more beneficial videos like this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.